the dope spots. Last thing I sweat, so suck a punk cop. Move like a king when I roll hops. You try to flex, bang, another nigga drops. You gotta deal with this, cause in the way out. Why? Cash money ain't never gonna play out. I got nothing to lose, much to gain. In my brain, I got a capitalist migraine. I gotta get paid tonight. You motherfucking right, thinking my grip. Check my bitch, keep my game tight. So many hoes on my jock, think I'm a movie star. 19, I got a $50,000 car. Go to school, I ain't going forward. Kiss my ass, bust the cap on the Moet. Cause I don't wanna hear that crap. Why? I'd rather be a New Jack hustler. 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 H-U-S-T-L-E-R. Hustler.
Allow me to display if I may. I'm ready to start. Well, okay, I've been held back for several years. I had a few squabbles, never shedding no tears. But like a Uzi on the mic, they call me Tone Capone. Slay it down with your posse if you're standing alone. Cultivating all cities and tearing up towns. I just...
Oh shit, he couldn't leave it out.
Race of Maine.
Yeah, baby. You can tell every point has to be made by the
Point counterpoint. Yes.